If you look closely at this photo, you will quickly recognize it's not a normal picture. Underneath Leah Glossip's right elbow, you can see her husband Richard, shackled and chained behind her. Leah spent more than 10 years advocating for an end to capital punishment, and during the process, began speaking with inmate Richard Glossip. Letters led to phone calls, and the two eventually married in 2022. Glossip was convicted and scheduled to die for the ordering of the January 1997 murder of a man named Barry Van Treese. He was a motel owner, and Glossip was an employee at the time. Another man named Justin Sneed admitted to robbing and beating Van Treese, but told the court he did so only after being hired by Glossip. Glossip has steadfastly maintained his innocence and faced execution 9 times. Earlier this week, the Supreme Court ruled he is entitled to a new trial. I spoke with Glossip's wife, Leah, about the decision. She sent me this statement, saying, "Rich and I opened the decision together on the phone this morning, knowing it would be a life-changing moment. To say we are overcome with emotion is an understatement. We are deeply grateful. Today is truly an answered prayer." Also celebrating the Supreme Court's decision is the Reverend David Wiggs here at Boston Avenue United Methodist Church. He serves as Richard Glossip's spiritual advisor.
As I've talked to him over the years, it's been amazing to me that he has said, because of his faith, if the state puts him to death, he's going to be all right with that.
Leah tells me that both the church and Reverend Wiggs have truly helped them through some very dark times. She says Boston Avenue and Reverend Wiggs in particular have been an incredible source of support for both Richard and me, especially during some of the darkest days we've had to face. Truly a blessing for us both. She says the couple will continue to lean on their faith in the days to come, and says both Richard and I continue to be filled with immense gratitude, overcome with so much emotion that it's difficult to truly put into words what we are feeling. Our shared faith has been a central guiding light for us through so much darkness, and we have no doubt that it will continue to guide us through the days ahead. Sharon Phillips, 2 News, Oklahoma.